2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS-Class Review. The 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS offers some of the most versatile driving dynamics in its class, with composed yet sporty handling and 3 powerful engine options. Still, the CLS interior isn't as roomy or user-friendly as competitors, and it hasn't seen a significant redesign in years. New for 2017. 9-speed automatic transmission now standard in the CLS 400 and CLS 550. Pros and cons. Potent engine lineup. Composed handling. Tight back seats. Frustrating infotainment system. If you want power and acceleration, you'll be satisfied with every engine in the 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS lineup. The CLS offers both ride comfort and agility, so it's at home no matter your preferred driving style, though a few critics think its suspension is on the stiff side. Steering feedback and weight are excellent. The base CLS 400 is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that generates 329 horsepower. A 9-speed automatic transmission is newly standard for 2017. The CLS 550 comes with a turbocharged 4.7-liter V8 that makes 402 horsepower. The high-performance AMG CLS-63S comes with a 577 horsepower turbocharged 5.5-liter V8 paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. According to Mercedes-Benz, the CLS-63S accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds, and its top speed is 186 miles per hour. Mercedes-Benz estimates the base CLS 400's fuel economy at 20 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. The CLS 550 gets up to 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway, which is about average for the class. The 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS interior is made with upscale materials that provide a luxurious look and feel. The front seats are supportive and comfortable, but the back seats have poor head and legroom. Audio and infotainment controls are difficult to adjust. They are operated using a central control knob that doesn't mesh well with the system software. However, climate controls are straightforward. The CLS trunk space is below average for the class. The 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS seats 4 and comes standard with leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, and heated front seats. Upgraded leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, a multi-control massaging driver's seat, and a heated steering wheel are available. The CLS front seats are comfortable for long trips and supportive for sporty driving. The rear seats, however, have limited headroom, thanks to the CLS sloped roofline. Rear seat legroom is also poor. The CLS latch child seat system consists of 2 lower anchors and 1 upper tether in each of the 2 rear seats. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has not rated the CLS latch system. Standard features in the CLS include dual-zone automatic climate control, HD radio, Bluetooth, a USB port, a Garmin-based navigation system, collision prevention with automatic braking, driver drowsiness monitoring, an 8-inch display screen with a central control knob, and Mercedes Embrace, which allows you to remotely access the car from a smartphone or computer. Available features include a 14-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, a 15-speaker Bang & Olufsen stereo, Mercedes Command navigation system, voice recognition, a Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, cross-traffic alert, pedestrian recognition, front and rear parking sensors, parallel park assist, and either a rear view camera or a surround view camera system.